Hey, let's talk about the benefits and cons of doing an FHA loan. So the benefits is typically the interest rate is lower than a conventional loan. And typically you can have a higher debt to income ratio, so which means, you could be a riskier borrower and the banks don't care as much. Your credit score doesn't have to be as high as for a conventional loan, and typically you have to put less money down. So those are all the benefits of the FHA loan. The cons of the FHA loan, though, is typically you have the private mortgage insurance for the life of the loan. So if you do an FHA loan for a 30-year mortgage and you don't refinance it, you're going to have the private mortgage insurance because it's a riskier type of loan for the life of the loan. But a conventional mortgage, that could drop off when you get to the 80% loan to value. The next con that you need to understand is the seller must make their home pass in order for you to get that loan. So if there's any chipping or peeling paint, if there needs to be a handrail, if there's any broken glass, the windows need to open, close, all those kinds of things, the FHA appraiser is going to go in and look at. And so it's going to be the responsibility of the seller to make the home pass. So if you're competing with multiple buyers, that could be a con as well. If you're trying to decide what's the best route, or if you want to understand different grant opportunities, we would love to educate you about different grant opportunities, different loan opportunities, and help make some introductions to some local lenders here in Salina. Feel free to reach out.